Hi, in this video, we will learn how to use proofreading marks to correct our writing. Here is a first draft. Proofreading can make this writing even better. Look at these proofreading marks. When proofreading, ask, do sentences and proper nouns start with a capital letter? Where does a lowercase letter need to be changed to a capital letter? The word Mars is a proper noun. It names a specific planet, so it needs a capital letter. Here's the proofreading mark. Then check the rest of the sentences. Does each sentence end with a punctuation mark? The first sentence is missing a period. Here's the proofreading mark. Then check the rest of the sentences. Are any words misspelled? The word small should be spelled S-M-A-L-L. We can insert the missing letter with this proofreading mark. Then check the rest of the sentences. Is the paragraph missing commas? Yes, a comma belongs in the series of planets after the word Venus. Here is the proofreading mark. Then check the rest of the sentences. We can see that the word didn't is missing an apostrophe. Here is the proofreading mark. And there's an error in capitalization. The word planet should not be capitalized. It does not name a specific planet. We can show that this needs to be lowercase by putting a slash through the capital P. Then check the rest of the sentences. And that's how you use proofreading marks to correct your writing. See you next time.